In this session we'll do a quick simple text effect tutorial based on a question from one of my friends in Facebook. And setting these up is actually very easy, and you can see it does make a difference in the design. It does give that text a little bit of pop as opposed to just being flat. To set up this type of effect, all I'll do is I'll just go ahead and zoom out here. I'll grab this text and I'll just left click, hold down, drag, right click one time and duplicate that. Up here, right click, give that a black outline. Then I'll come over here to my interactive contour tool and I'll left click, hold down, start pushing until I start to get a contour to the inside. And I can pull back a little bit, make that a little bit smaller, and really dial that in interactively, holding down my left mouse key and going up and down, and release that right there. The next thing I'll do is I'll go to my pick tool, right click, break contour group apart. I'll go ahead and bring this over to the other side, and I've got both these selected, so I have to click off, click back on. There we go, now we've moved that. I'll change this to a blue, then I'll go ahead and left click, right click one time, duplicate, make 2 copies of this, move this in just to about right there, release that. Now I've got 2 of these. Left click, hold down, lasso, come up here to the properties bar and click on back minus front. Now I'm not going to want this in the racing text, so I'll go ahead and right click on this and select break curve apart. I can then just come in and lasso what I've got here in the racing word to get rid of that. Lasso everything that's left. Come up here and weld that. I can delete this, I won't need this anymore. I can bring this over to my text or my text logo or layout, as you can see there. Position that where I want it, and then I'll just go ahead and fill that with a white, and I'll right click up here to take the outline off, and there I've created the effect. And you can see that if I delete that, it does make a difference in design as how it pops and how the text looks, and I'll hit Control Z to put that back. So just a quick simple text effects tutorial working with the interactive contour tool and then working with our front minus back in the properties bar with multiple objects selected. Go ahead and wrap here, and we'll see you in our next video.